Okay, so guys, here is my prediction for Royal Rumble 2026 till WrestleMania 2026. First of all, ड्रू मैकिंटायर को वर्ल्ड टाइटल क्यों दिया? वो तो पहले भी फेस कर रहा था ना कोडी रोड्स को, अचानक से क्यों? Why? Simple. Because Royal Rumble 2026 is happening at Riyadh. And he will face, and this is for Sami Zayn. So finally at Riyadh, Sami Zayn versus Drew McIntyre. Most probably Sami Zayn will win that match. और अगर नहीं भी जीता तो it would be a close encounter. Now move to Elimination Chamber. Elimination Chamber match, out of 16 participants तो definitely होंगे. Drew McIntyre, Cody Rhodes, Sami Zayn. And most probably final two will be Sami Zayn and Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes will backstab Sami Zayn and become heel world champion. And then he go to WrestleMania, defend his against the winner of Royal Rumble 2026. और वो होगा Roman Reigns. So at WrestleMania 42, it will be Roman Reigns versus Cody Rhodes for the World Championship. And most probably, in fact, 99% chances it's the Cody Rhodes who attacked Jacob Fatu. तो probably Saturday Night Main Event या फास्ट लेन या मिड में कोई पेपर व्यू में he will face Jacob Fatu again. Now, even at WrestleMania, Cody Rhodes will beat Roman. पूरे साल he will be a legit heel, probably with support of authority. And he would be chased down by Sami Zayn. According to me, even Royal Number 20 Sami Zayn at WrestleMania 43, which is happening, it will be Sami Zayn versus Cody Rhodes. That will be won by Sami Zayn. Here is this story arc. Note कर लो.